Good morning, dear students. And today I will take revision from chapter 13, water. Name of the chapter 13 is the water. Chapter 13, water. Chapter 13, water. Lesson 13, water. We know that water is our basic need, and without water we can't do anything. We cannot live without water, and it is used for many purposes, just for cooking, drinking, washing, and for many other purposes. Plants of animals too need water to live. Plants and animals need water to live. And sources of water. What is the sources of water? So rain is the main source of water. First one is the sources of water. Sources of water. So you know that rain is the main source of water, and it falls from the clouds. And when it rains, the water goes to the rivers. It goes to the different streams, just like rivers, lakes, streams, and ponds. And some rainwater goes deep into the soil. Some rainwater goes deep into the soil, and this is called the underground water. And so we can say that rain is the main source of water. Now next one is the water supply. We know that in big towns and cities, water comes in most homes through the taps. And water from a source such as river or lake is cleaned and stored in big tanks. And from tanks, it is supplied to our homes through pipes and taps. And in small towns and villages, people also draw underground water by digging wells, hand pumps, and farmers draw underground water through the tube wells. So we can say that in small towns and villages, people draw underground water by the digging wells and hand pumps, and farmers draw underground water through the tube wells. Now next topic is the all water is not safe to drink. So we can say that all water is not safe to drink. So what is the water present in the oceans and in the rivers? We cannot say that it is good for the health, because it contains different germs and it contains harmful substances, and which is very harmful for the health, and it contains the germs also. So this type of water is called the impure water. Those water contains harmful substances, germs. That water is called the harmful substances. And we can say that impure water is not good for the health. Those water contains germs, those water contains harmful substances. We can say that that water is not good for the health, and it may cause the several diseases. It causes the several diseases. And water at the sources becomes impure due to the following reasons. Why water is impure? Water is impure due to the following reasons. That is, the people wash dirty clothes. People wash dirty clothes, and people take the animals for bath. People take the animals for bath, and drainage water is let into the sources, and drainage water let into the sources, and throwing garbage into the sources, and throwing garbage into the sources. So we can say that all water is not safe to drink. All water is not safe to drink. And now drink clean water. Next is the drink clean water. Drink clean water. So tap water is safe for use. Tap water is safe for use, and still it is advisable to purify it. For purifying, we must boil or filter it, and boiling kills the germs present in the water. And we should keep the water in clean and covered vessels. And some water purifiers can be fitted directly to the taps and get potable water fit for drinking. So we can say that if water is not good coming from taps, so we can purify it for boiling. We can purify it by the process of boiling or by the process of filtering. So we can say that by these two processes we can make the water clean. And now water is scarce. Next topic is the water is scarce. Water is scarce. The earth is covered with more water than land. Most of the water is present in oceans and seas, but we cannot use sea water because it is too salty. So salt is present in this, and the availability of fresh water is too scarce. All living things depend on fresh water, so we must save it. And next last topic in this, save water. Save water. Never leave the tap running. Never leave the tap running. Close the tap after use, and do not make the water dirty. So we can say that what should we do? First, never leave the tap running, and close the tap after use. Close the tap after use, and do not make the water dirty. So by this way we can save water. And in this chapter we learned that water is our basic need, and we use water for many purposes. And rain is the main source of water. Rivers, lakes, ponds, wells, hand pumps are other sources of water. And water in most homes come through the taps, and all water is not safe to drink. And we must drink clean water. And fresh water is too scarce. We must save it. And so lesson 13 revision is completed, and you will take revision, and you will learn fill in the blanks, and true false, tick the right word, answer the following. You have to write in rough copy, and you will learn. And I think all chapters I have taken revision, and from chapter 13 you will learn fill in the blanks, true false, tick the right word, and answer the following.